Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video we will discuss about cellular adaptations. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Cellular adaptations means जब हमारे सेल की इंजरी होती है तो हमारे सेल्स अपने आप को चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हैं. It can be in numbers, size or it can be metabolic changes. Cellular adaptations are always benign and reversible. So in this video, we will discuss about atrophy, hypertrophy, hyperplasia and metaplasia. So first adaptation is atrophy. A means absence and trophy means growth. So atrophy means absence of growth. जब absence of growth होगा तो साइज भी डिक्रीज होगा. ये एक बिनाइन कंडीशन है और ये दो टाइप की हो सकती है. These can be are two types, physiological and pathological. In physiological atrophy, we will see in normal conditions. First is uterus after pregnancy. And second example, organ atrophy. In the case of fetal development. And in pathological atrophy, first example is disuse atrophy. Disuse means when you didn't use anything from a long time. Like in the fracture, orthopedicians recommend for the rest. Second example is denervation atrophy, which we see in nerve damage in the case of infections like poliomyelitis. And another example is inadequate nutrition and chronic ischemic atrophy, which is seen in the older people when there is inadequate blood supply present, like in the case of CNS dementia, Alzheimer's disease. Second adaptation is hypertrophy. Hyper means increase and trophy means growth, means increase in growth. This is also reversible condition and it is benign condition. So we will discuss about the physiological conditions and the pathological one. In the case of physiological uterine hypertrophy, in the case of pregnancy, and in the skeletal muscles, and in the case of pathological, there is cardiac hypertrophy, which is cardiac hypertrophy disease, hypertensive disease. We will discuss in another video about it. Next adaptation is hyperplasia. Hyper means increase in and plasia means number, increase in number. Number of cells increase होंगे तो उनका function भी increase होगा. This is also benign condition and reversible condition. इसमें भी physiological conditions होती है, physiological changes होते हैं और pathological changes होते हैं. In physiological changes, we will see in the uterus and the breast, in the case of pregnancy and puberty, and in the case of hemolytic disease, hemolytic anemia, bone marrow changes. And in the case of pathological hyperplasia, there is prostatic hyperplasia and endometrial hyperplasia. Next adaptation is metaplasia. Metaplasia means जब cell change होता है stress के contact में आके, there any change in the nature of cell when it will come in the contact of any stress. Like stem cells. Metaplasia can change epithelial cells and connective tissue cells. So, examples are epithelial metaplasia and connective tissue metaplasia. In the case of epithelial metaplasia, in the lung cancer, normally we have pseudosquamous ciliated epithelium layer. In the smokers, it changes to squamous epithelium. If we will tell to the smoker that you कि आपको स्मोकिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए, then it will reverse. Squamous epithelium changes to again normal position, normal epithelium to pseudosquamous ciliated. And if they didn't quit smoking, then that smoker will have squamous cell tumor. And second example is Barrett's esophagus. In the case of connective tissue metaplasia, there is example is myositis ossificans. After trauma, we will see muscle cells converted into bone cells.